What's up, YouTube? Alright, I'm gonna take a shot at deploying to GitHub Pages. How? Alright, let's see. So I already have Angular, I have a site, it's running. It's already serving, so I gotta build the site, which of course, ng build, config production, base href. Okay, so I need to get my GitHub account. Let me see if I'm ready there. Looks like my GitHub account's ready. So it's username, GitHub.io, repository name. Base username, okay, and repository name of your GitHub repository. Just folder, create a GitHub repository. Yep, that was my next thing. It's like, probably doesn't create it automatically from the sounds of it. So go to GitHub, create a new repo, name the repo Hello World app. Let's do Hello Angular. So I'm gonna come in here. Let's call it like Hello Angular. This is a basic GitHub Pages deployment. Yeah, any other things it wants us to do? Oh, don't initiate with a README. You could ignore or license, unless you want to. Okay, so optional. It's not gonna mess anything up. Publish your Angular app to GitHub. Okay, so now I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. I need to come over here and do this ng build thing. Oh, we can copy it. Let me get a terminal or something. Here we go. It's interesting enough. I don't know if it's always been that way, but you can actually type terminal and there's a terminal app. I'd always thought of it as command prompt. I thought terminal was like a Linux thing, but it works. Pull up PowerShell. All right, cool. So I need to go to my app. Let me see, is any of this stuff like a secret? I don't think so. The interwebs knowing my username is not life-changing, I don't think. So let's go over here to my app. I'm just gonna use terminal here and clear this out. Boom, ng build, config prod, base href, username. What is my username? I don't want to click too much on there. Let's see here. Username and repo. Repo we know. Hello Angular. Right. There should be that. See if that works. Alright, so here we got my empty site saying I need to create something. So let's hang out while this builds. Yay! Got a few job leads. Hopefully I'll be back at work in a week or two. I hope. Okay, output to blah. Unhandled exception. That's not what I wanted. C log. Sweet. No such file or directory. Oh, okay. Well, that's good. At least it's like maybe a spelling error or something like that. Okay. So I probably haven't done something on GitHub yet. So let's check. Let's see what. Push your Angular app to GitHub. Run the build command. We tried that. It didn't work. It's saying this command generates the dist folder containing the production ready files. Yeah, we may have a dist on local, but not quite what I was expecting. Initialize Git and your Angular project. Okay, sure, we can do that. Clear. Reinitialize. Okay, so I guess that was already done at some point. Add all the files. I think that was just git add dot, right? Yeah, git add. Yeah. Then I don't have a git ignore in here. It's probably gonna be a huge mess. Let's take a look. It's not that bad. What's this hiding stuff from me? I don't think it is. Okay. Commit. Yeah. Standard. Set your account's default identity. Okay, so I haven't set up this Git account. Let's do that locally. So like, only thing is, I don't know if I set up like an email for this, or if it's like my personal email, which I don't want to use that. Do I really need username, email? Okay. Now, let's try that again. Let's see here. Okay, let's see. I added my email. Let's see if that's gonna make this Git thing happy. Yes, it did. Okay, great. So I have to give it my email. All right, link your local to GitHub. All right. push. Man. Let's take a look. That actually looks right. Get remote add. Huh. Okay, that seems to be working. Okay, so I don't know. There's something in there that didn't quite work in the walkthrough with DeepSeek. This git push didn't work, but when I added the other steps that were from GitHub, it was perfectly happy. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to figure out my email issue to continue the stream. So I will do that.